Meaning of homebuyer.
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 Homebuyer. A homebuyer is a person or entity that is purchasing a residential property, typically to use as their primary residence. Homebuyers can be first-time buyers, upgrading or downsizing their current living situation, or investing in a rental property. Homebuyers go through a process that includes searching for suitable properties, financing the purchase, making offers, and closing the deal. For many people, buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions they will make in their lifetime and can have a major impact on their personal and financial well-being.